ice, and I feel bad about that. All right, let me talk about what's going on here. And that's not much right now outside of cold, with the exception of our areas to the south. It's now moved out of Panola County, but we are still seeing some fallen, it looks like freezing rain moving through just south of Oxford. We do have at least one accident confirmed due to black ice in Oxford, which means because we did have that winter weather advisory because of freezing fog, we had that really all night. So again, we could still be seeing the refreeze. Just want you to be careful if you're driving. If you don't have to drive, don't. Bridges, overpasses, even if treated, that's the thing, because they've got cold air running underneath them, they're much colder than the ground. So that's why those are the ones that typically freeze over rather than regular streets. Also, rural ones, ones that aren't traveled as much, and the further north you are, and in Arkansas, those roads looked a lot worse yesterday because they had a lot more sleet. So again, if you can stay home, just stay home. Let's look at what's going on right now, though, with winds. They're coming in from the northeast. Right now, close to 10 miles an hour, 17 in wind. Expected them to be about 10 to 15 on average throughout the day. So it's going to be breezy and it's going to be cold, and that contributes to your wind chill. So right now, it's actually 26 in Memphis. Feels like 17. Most of us, all miserable actually. 13 is what it feels like in Dyersburg, up to 27 for Oxford, Holly Springs, and Somerville. So no matter where you are, bundle up. If you're a morning walker, I just tweeted out, maybe consider just, I'm serious, taking a few laps around like your living room or something, because it isn't worth this. If you are going to get out, bundle up, avoid walking underneath trees. I saw a lot of limbs coming down, and you could still see black ice, and it's still not very bright outside. So please, 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 please be careful. As far as what we're going to see the rest of the day, cloudy skies, barely any sunshine, so that's not good. This is what it's going to feel like all day. At best, we may get to 21 is what we'll feel like once we get the sun up as we head into the rest of the day. And that's just before sunset. And then we just see it dropping again as we head into another cold weekend. So today's actual air temperature high I wanted to show you. Most of us will not get warm enough to really see any kind of melting of this ice that's still encapsulating the trees and the power lines. And any that does, it's going to refreeze because our temperatures are so low. So definitely want to be careful if you are out and about today. Now here's a long range model. That's why it looks a little different, but we're going to head into Saturday night into Sunday, where we're expected to see our next round of winter weather, where we could see some sleet and then some snow. We are expecting right now up to 4 inches of snow on Monday. Now, again, this is a good ways out. I just want you to know this is the last time we may be chatting about it. So make sure you listen to John Bryant tonight. Ed Eccles will be watching it this weekend, and you want to have the very latest information, because by the time it's here on Monday, you won't be able to prepare for it. So probably won't be doing much on Monday, probably staying indoors. So let's look at that 7-day forecast. Now you'll see why this is so fun to talk about. So very breezy today. It is actually going to be 30, but won't feel more than about 21, 22 for your low. As we head into the weekend, it is Valentine's weekend, but we are not feeling the love for our weather, at least. In the 20s, lows in the teens, feeling like single digits, possibly into negative digits. So we do have a 50% chance of a mixed bag of sleet, snow, freezing rain moving into Monday with a 70% chance of snow mix. This is what makes me nauseous. 19 for your high, 8 for our low, which means by the time we wake up on Tuesday, we're going to definitely be feeling well into negative numbers, and a good likelihood that we'll have all of this actually sticking as we head through the rest of the week. 20% chance for it on Tuesday, and then we do get slightly above freezing on Wednesday, just for us to have a 60% chance for snow mix to come in and a 50% chance on Thursday. Now, it is a long ways out. We got a lot to watch for, but you definitely need to stay dialed in and be weather aware for the next week and beyond, because right now it looks like we are stuck in a never-ending pattern. Within the next 10 days, you're going to question if you live in the South. That's what I'm questioning. I thought that I lived in the South. So, all right, we'll keep an eye on it, of course, for you.